Hi, Tony Meier here with your Wednesday real estate market update for Seattle's Eastside. As we do each week, I'm going to take my 34 years of experience helping buyers and sellers make decisions and distill the stats down so you can make your own decisions on the marketplace. If you're a buyer, I've got bonus content you're going to want to hang out to the end of this video to catch. So as we do each week, we're going to talk about rates for sale and pending, months of inventory, and median price. First up is interest rates. Well, we had a nice decline in rates, and rates are starting to edge back up. The impacts of Silicon Valley Bank are starting to diminish from the marketplace, and we're seeing interest rates rise back up. Homes for sale. So I've got a little more information for you on this number, but first of all, we're up 6% from last week. But the thing you need to know is if you look at 2015 to 2020, which were all appreciating years, the average active listings in March was 786. We are now sitting a third less than that. So if you're a buyer who's been waiting for inventory all of a sudden to show up in spades in our marketplace, it's not doing that, and we're likely to see that continue through the rest of the year. So you got to quantify each choice and look at that thinking that that home might not exist again in the future. Next up is pending. So we're seeing a nice increase in pendings, up 4%, and that's bringing our months of inventory in line at 1.04. So as we talk about months of inventory, anything under 2 months is seller favored. It's going to cause prices to continue to have upward pressure on them. Speaking of prices, well, we started this year closing out December at $1,299,000. As of this week, we're at $1,430,000. So while we're down a little bit from last week, prices are moving upward. Here's our bonus content. I want to put some perspective. If you were a buyer and you were looking at buying in the first quarter of last year, you would have gotten a home for an average of $1,632,000, and you would have only gotten a home of 2,480 square feet. Today, you're going to get that same house or more home. Median price is $1,399,000, and you're going to get a 2,700 square foot home. So that's a 14% decrease in median price. But when you look at price per square foot, the next number, median price per square foot last year was $658. This year it's $516. So prices are down 21%. So if you're a buyer, there's two things you need to understand. One, you're getting a much better deal. But two, prices are going up, and these better deals are not going to last for long. And if interest rates continue to go up, it's still going to cost you even more to get that home. So if you're thinking about making a move, now's the time to give us a call. We'll share the market updates for you specifically to your neighborhood so you can understand exactly what's happening and make the right decisions for you and your family. If you like what we have to say, please hit the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel to grow right down below here, and we'll talk with you next week. Thank you.